Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Bitwarden where you need it, desktop app, mobile, or browser extension. Create a master password now, pick a long passphrase, at least 16 characters, because your vault depends on it. Once done, verify your email and download or write down the recovery code. Store it offline. Make sure to enable two-step only after confirming sign-in works. This gets you securely into the vault and ready to add credentials without delay. Now populate and organize the vault. Import passwords from a CSV or your browser export and immediately scan for duplicates. You'll create folders or collections to group logins, work, personal, banking, and use secure notes for things like recovery keys. Use the built-in generator to replace weak passwords and update entries as you go. Make tags and custom fields to speed searches later. Once organized, sync across devices to finish by enabling autofill in the browser extension and on mobile so logins are seamless. Test a few sites to confirm behavior. Turn on sync and biometric unlock and check the last sync timestamp to ensure everything propagated. If something goes wrong, resave the credential from the site, clear browser cache, and confirm the saved URL matches the login page. If you still see issues, log out and back in. Then re-import or restore from the secure export you kept.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.